No, it's not going.
Okay. Go.
Hi, it's David in the stained glass studio, and it was just my birthday, and look what I got. This is one of those really cool lighting kits with the round LED, and this is going to be powered by USB on my computer. This is really exciting to me. It ought to help me to do some better video, and you should be looking for that better video to be coming up. This isn't going to be one of them. And I guess I'll take you down to where the computer is and show you what else I got. It's going. Okay, here we are in the studio office, and you might notice a difference. This is the chair that I've had for 25 years, and oh man, it's really hard to sit on for several hours. This is the new chair. It's kind of a gamer's chair, and so, ooh, yeah, it's got good cushion. Here's a special chart Jeannie has made for me to encourage me to get more done. As we enter May, we've got quite a number of deadlines, so I get to meet those deadlines. And we'll talk to you later.